What is up, guys? We're back with another video. We decided to make this a two-part video. So in the last one, you guys will probably see the end product. But we are doing a steering wheel install on a Q60. Finally, this is the steering wheel. I already transferred the back plate for this. I don't even know what part of the steering wheel this is called, but transfer this while Lamont is disassembling the core of the OEM steering wheel. I'll think about putting the leak for this steering wheel. It's 100% custom. I've seen people with white steering wheels, but not like this. So, or white carbon steering wheels, but not like this. Kind of like in the video.
That's different.
Yeah. So, I'll think about it. I may hold. What did they be saying? Keeping the. Dang.
I don't know.
They be saying a lot. They be saying, no, you be holding the T, or I don't know, something like that. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So I'm gonna pass it to Lamont so he can give y'all the rundown of how to disassemble the steering wheel to this point.
Tell y'all straight up, get you a Lamont.
Yeah.
It's hard to explain.
Hold on, let me flip the camera.
How I did it.
Mm-hmm.
That is true.
Yep.
But if you ever want to just replace your paddle shifters, that I can tell you. So underneath each one of the buttons, after you get the airbag out, so to push the airbag out, when you look in here, it's going to be the little metal retaining holder. You just got to push it really hard and then pull on it to come out. There's the clip for these harnesses is underneath the bottom. You just got to feel for it and then pull it out. And then once you pull it out, so this is what it look like right here. So you got to be careful because everything is just a plastic tab. So what I did was we had a plastic pry tool. I pried it up on this side here. I pried it up to get it up on this side. And then I just basically on this side just kind of put leverage on it and just keep pulling up on it and it'll come. Other than that, you're going to be screwed.
Sorry, I
pause.
had to.
Well, yeah, you keep pulling up on it. It might do a little something. We'll do a little something strange for a piece of chain. But let's see if I can do this one. Probably can't. Okay. Yeah. So you pop that up. And then the only thing holding it, like I say, is these two inner pieces here. So you just kind of really get some type of leverage and then just wedge and keep prying and it'll just wiggle. It'll come up just like that. And then it just held in with a Phillips head for the shift paddles. And when you're looking at the back, there's going to be, I pushed it in already, but there's going to be a white clip that, how much push? Oh, that'll come out looking like this. So it'll be the white clip that's attached to here. It sits directly on the back. Just push it down, and then once you get this unbolted, just wiggle it out, and it'll come to where it looks like this. And then you just kind of shove everything back in, and then go from there. That's the shift pouch.
So yeah, guys.
Everything else, I don't know how to tell you.
As Lamont continuously takes stuff apart, I'm just adding stuff to the steering wheel.
Just be
and
careful.
Go from that. Yeah, be careful.
Very careful. Oh,
you want to break no plastic tabs?
With this plastic tab. So you have two Phillips screws. When you take it out, if you ever replace this, you got two Phillips screws here. But underneath here on the back, so on the back part of this, at the bottom, it's a plastic tab. It's literally just plastic. You have to slightly pry it off without breaking it, because you can break it. Everything is basically held in with a plastic tab.
Yep. And for my understanding of what the company told me, these two blue wires are temp control, and then obviously power and ground. Yep. Since mine is a red sport, I don't know if the other ones come with a heated steering wheel. This is a heated steering wheel. So I would like to keep that functionality of this, just because it's very convenient.
Just remember the ground is ground, and then the power will be this
black is
light
ground,
colored wire.
Red is power,
And it doesn't matter where the blue goes.
Yeah, the blue is just temp control. Yeah. Make sure there's signal.
Yeah.
For left and right side, because I think there's pads on both sides.
If they get one like that, make sure you cut the wire like somewhere in the middle here, not all the way up here, because you're gonna need this clip connector.
Yep.
Make sure you cut it in the middle and then do the wiring, or cut it down here rather, so you can have longer wire to work with. Cut it down more towards the bottom. That way you can use this clip, because this connector plugs into here. So you don't want to end up messing up, and now you got to hardwire the entire thing.
Yeah.
So don't do nothing stupid.
Yep. So as we progress, I will continuously update you guys. This is the airbag. So I'm gonna probably try to transfer all this, because this is the airbag cover. This is the OEM one, and then this is the aftermarket one. Basically, all you got to do is push these plastic tabs in. It's just like the Malibu. Push these plastic tabs in. It'll remove this whole plastic cover. Not plastic, but whatever fabric this is or material this is. It'll remove this whole cover, and then I'll be able to slide the new one in. All right, guys. So we are all done with the steering wheel. That man was getting his butt kicked by the airbag. And all I said was,
I got it right there.
Hey man, I gotta throw that in there. It's pretty funny.
Chocolate man. Yeah.
What in the world? So this is what it looks like in the car. Lamont was getting frustrated. He's just had to put more force into it. Hey, it's our business. We were here together when it happened.
Right. You just so happen to say a couple words. Okay. All right. Don't get smacked.
But he said don't get smacked. But nah, so the steering wheel's done, guys. We just gotta turn the car on and actually make sure that the functions work, but that's the second priority. The main priority is the transmission and all that. So that's going to be in the other video, but what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below.
Don't let them know, man. You be all right.
On what y'all think. Peace out, guys.